to Simple Trends. If you are watching my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I would love to hear your comments and feedback. Do mention in the comment section below. Festivals are fun to celebrate, but without pre-planning, the work becomes tedious. In this video, I will share a few tips which I follow to make work easier during festivals, which involves more work and elaborate cooking. We celebrated Varalakshmi Pooja on Friday, but with a little pre-planning beginning on Thursday, I could do the elaborate festival cooking in just 1.5 hours. I generally have a written to-do list fixed on my refrigerator so I don't miss out on anything. In my festival planning video, I had shared the few tips I follow to get sorted for the puja. You can check the link to it in the description box. With my to-do list ready and the menu for the day fixed, I begin soaking rice for the modak or korakattai flour. I have taken around 500 grams of raw rice for the modak flour. Wash the rice well and then soak it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, spread it on a cloth to dry. You need not dry this in the sun. It can be dried under the fan. Dry it in such a way for 45 minutes to 1 hour that when you touch the rice, it will not stick to your hands. It will just fall freely. I am going to take this rice to the flour mill to be ground into a powder. This can be done in the mixer jar also, but it takes some time, so I want to finish my work a little faster. I am taking it to the flour mill to be ground into a powder. Once the powder is ready, you have to sieve it because there will be lot of coarse grains in this. To avoid that, we have to sieve it well. Sieve the flour and the korakattai maavu or the outer shell flour is ready. Next, I am going to soak for the raw rice idli. For the raw rice idli, this is the prasadam for the Varalakshmi Pooja. We do not use anything made out of idli rice or boiled rice on puja days, so we make idli out of raw rice. I have taken 1 cup of urad dal with a tablespoon of methi seeds and 2 cups of raw rice. Wash the rice and dal separately and soak them for 4 to 5 hours. I generally grate coconut and keep it in the freezer for use. This saves some time. So now I will be ready to make the coconut puranam also. For the puranam, I will need grated coconut and jaggery. Grate the jaggery beforehand. As soon as you buy the jaggery, if you grate and keep it in a container, it will be very useful and it will save a lot of time. The coconut puranam and the til puranam both can be made the previous day and it can be stored in a container. This will save time for the next day during the puja preparation. Since I had planned on the menu, I will cut all the vegetables needed for the next day's cooking and store it in the refrigerator. Now grind the batter for the raw rice idli and allow to ferment for 6 hours. Now on to Friday's Varalakshmi Pooja day. I soak 1 cup of urad dal for the vada and half cup for the salt modak. The tamarind for sambar and rasam is also soaked. As it is soaking along with my morning coffee, I prepare the rice and dal. With the rice and dal getting ready, I can fry the lady's finger poriyal too. The carrot beans poriyal also gets ready in the 3-liter cooker with just 2 whistles. Now to the salt filling for the modak. Grind the urad dal with the green chilli and ginger. Add salt and steam along with the raw rice idli batter which has fermented. As that is getting ready, I can make my rasam in the 3-liter cooker. By now the raw rice idli and the steamed urad dal for the korakattai is ready. Now I can make the outer covering for the korakattai or the modak. This I make it in a large heavy bottom cooker to avoid forming lumps. The sambar is also made in the 3-liter cooker. Since we have already uploaded the procedure to make rasam and sambar in the cooker, I am not getting into its details. Now the steamed ulundu puranam has cooled. Temper it and the filling is ready. Allow it to cool and in another 3-liter cooker I make the paruppu payasam. The detailed video for the paruppu payasam has also been uploaded in our channel. In the meanwhile, we can grind the urad dal for the vada. Since the sweet puranam was made the previous day, I just have to make the outer shell for the korakattai or modak. Then it is only the work of steaming them. As they are getting steamed, the vadas can be fried. We are done with making vada, paruppu payasam, 3 varieties of modak, raw rice idli, ladies finger poriyal, carrot beans poriyal, rasam, rice and sambar, all within 2 hours. Now with the kitchen work over, we went on with the puja with prayers for good health and prosperity of all. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Subscribe to Simple Trends and hit the bell icon to get instant updates on our new videos. Your feedback and comments are important to us. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Bye.